Good evening. I am Mohan, SAP FICO consultant and also like a trainer for S4HANA, and I am having 18 years of experience. So please subscribe my channel, and I am giving my phone number. So please note down and subscribe my channel. If you have further doubts, please call me. Today's topic, General Ledger, SAP FICO. This is my phone number. And our institution name, Kent Academy, Marathali, Bangalore. Thank you. And here in General Ledger, we need to understand. We completed configurations topic we finished. After configurations, we entered into General Ledger concepts. You know, in Tally also we have ledgers, same kind of ledgers, and we are calling it as masters here, General Ledger masters. How to create General Ledger masters? Here very clearly we had given. If we can understand, there are three ways we can create the masters. One is chart of accounts level, company code level, and centrally. We can create chart of accounts in three levels: chart of accounts, company code level, and centrally. So chart of accounts level, these options will come. Company code level, these options will come. Centrally, both options will come. So generally we'll go with centrally, because chart of accounts level and company code level together here centrally will come. That's why we are going with central. And how to create accounts to be created here: surplus and profit and loss account under reserves and surplus group, equity share capital, cash account under current assets, loans, and see. We need to create three accounts here. And before that, already this first step already we did. What is that first step? You try to understand. SPRO, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, general ledger account, master data preparations. We are creating chart of accounts. The transaction code is OBD4. Try to understand. The transaction code is OBD4. So SPRO, if I go with the SAP FICO, this thing here, try to understand. Here, see. This is SAP FICO easy access screen. Once you will give the user ID and password, we can enter here like this. SAP reference IMG. Try to understand here how to create the chart of accounts. See, financial accounting, general ledger accounts, GL accounts, data, preparations, edit chart of accounts list. Edit chart of accounts list. Here you need to understand how to create the chart of accounts. Here. Our company is 3105. Already we have created the accounts. We created chart of accounts 3105 here. If we double click on this, you can understand the maintain the language key English, and the length is actually SAP provided length is 10, but we are taking 6 here because 10 is too high, and less than 6 if we take that become too less. We are taking the length 6 here. Here, try to understand. This is chart of accounts. This is the way of creating chart of accounts. Chart of accounts means our company accounts. Here we need to, if you want what is chart of accounts, you can see the documentation here. In the chart of accounts list, you can enter the chart of accounts that you want to use in your organization. So for your organization, whatever the accounts we are using, that is called chart of accounts. Assign company code to chart of accounts. Here, you take a company code 3105. Here, 3105. See, chart of accounts we entered here. This is company code 3105 and chart of accounts is 3105. Right to understand? Here we are going back. This is the way of first step we need to understand here. Now we are going with SAP. First step is done. We are going with the second step here. What is the second step here? Creation of general ledger masters. How to create general ledger masters? See, the transaction code is FS00. Right to understand. So here, otherwise they had given the path here: accounting, financial accounting, general ledger account, master records, GL accounts, individual processing, centrally. So I will show you both the options here. Just I can show you SPRO, a preference IMG, financial accounting. Sorry, masters we can create from easy access screen only. Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records, GL accounts, individual processing, centrally. So here we need to understand how to create the general ledger masters. Here, the way we need to understand. 1 second. So here we need to understand how to create the masters. For example, we'll take, we need to understand here personal cost, salaries account. See, reserves and surplus, sales, share capital, current liabilities and provisions, current assets and loans, administration. These many accounts already we created. Now we are going to discuss what account we need to be create. Here first, see this surplus in P&L account, reserves and surplus we need to create. You please see this reserves and surplus. Where is reserves and surplus? Here. Reserves and surplus account is here. We need to create reserves and surplus account. That is 100, 100, 100, 101 already created. Now I am taking how to create means this is the create button. You click here. 100, 102 I am taking because already 100, 101, 100 is there. So 102 I am creating. Just see here. We had to take account group. This is balance sheet account. Here we need to take reserves and surplus. Other than this, if we take red it will show. See, suppose you are taking this, what it will say account group is not defined, it will tell. Exactly suitable only we need to take. So reserves and surplus. This account is reserves and surplus. Reserves, surplus account. 3105. Here, control data. Control data, we need to take in control data, we need to take line item display, line item display, sort key 001. Here, create a bank and interest G001. We need to take here, save this. Warning will come. This is positive warning only, not keep the balance sheet accounts in local currency. It is saved 100, 102 reserves and surplus account. Try to understand. Reserves and surplus account. What is the second account we need to create? Just see here. What is the second account? Equity share capital. Equity share capital we need to create. So how to create equity share capital here? Share capital. See this here, the share capital. When the share capital is there already 100, 000, 100, 001 is created. Now I am going to take 100,002 I am creating. Let's say this. This is equity share capital. Equity share capital. Then only take, otherwise no. Balance sheet account always. Share capital. Here also share capital for 30. Control data, already I told you, in control data, two things are very important. One is line item display, second one is sort key 0. And create a bank and this thing, G001. So field status group is G001. Already we know this. What is field status? Control data and type of description. Save this message. So two things I created, personal reserves, the reserves and surplus one account. This is created. This is created. Next, cash account, current liability provisions. This 200,100. Already 200,103 till we created. Now I am going to create 200,104 we are creating. Create 104. What is this? Current liabilities and advances. Cash account. Cash account for 310. Same thing, but this is profit and loss account or balance sheet account. Line item display. P00 all data, the cash account. So we need to take bank this thing. Where is bank 005? 11th cash flow we need to select always. This is also balance sheet account. So we created 3 accounts. This cash account, reserves and surplus, and share capital account we created. Now we are going to take a \n. We want to post the documents. Post the documents we need to see here. How to post the documents? Transaction code. To post the documents, the transaction code are the 2 transaction codes. One is FB50, second transaction code F-02. Right to understand. There are 2 transaction codes. Easy way is F-02. The way generally we'll choose is F-02. Document date and posting date will be the same in demo system or real time also. Sometime it will be the same, but sometimes document is created 1 week before. Posting date is today, that we can discuss. Okay. So these 2 dates will be different or same. It depends on the situation. Share capital. Try to understand. Here account, bank account or cash account we need to take first. Enter. Amount. For example, I am giving 1,30,000. 1,30,000. Business 3106. Value date 11/12. Here, what is this? Share capital. Try to understand. First, 40 posting we took. Now we are taking 50 because this is credit entry. First, you took 40, that is debit entry. This is credit entry. And what account we need to take? 102. Enter. Here, first given debit entry, next credit entry given. Now this amount to fetch, we will give star here. If you put the star, automatically it will fetch the amount. This area 06 and the text plus I am taking here plus and there star, automatically it will fetch. Simulate the document. What happening? 40 cash credit debited, 50 credited. On which account? Cash account it is debited, share capital it is credited. Save this. See, document 10016 was posted in the company order 3105. Successfully we posted the document here. Now, if you want to see the document, go and display the document. See, you can see the document here, display document. Any doubt, please ask me. Whether it is posted or not, how to see? Go to new screen. FS10N. See here. It's green color. You need to understand here. Green color is there means document was posted, amount went to that account. So sometimes here red color will come. That means it is not posted. Okay, guys, I hope you understood very clearly. Any doubt, please ask me. This green says, here green symbol is there. It says the document posted successfully. This is general ledger concept. Perfectly we did. Any doubt? You can ask me anytime. I had given my phone number. So please subscribe the channel and click on bell icon. Thank you.